If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Chase Bank, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Chase Bank account by visiting the official website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once loaded in, locate the Accounts section. Click on the account that has the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Look for the Transactions or Activity tab to view your recent transactions. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Scroll through your transaction history to find the pending transaction. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly, indicating they have not yet been completed. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view more details. This will usually provide you with options related to the specific transaction, including the possibility to dispute or cancel it. Step 5. Follow cancellation instructions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the HR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. In conclusion, while cancelling a pending transaction can be straightforward, it is important to act quickly and follow the necessary steps. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Chase's customer support for help.